I needed to replace my 13-year-old office chair and came across an ad for a gaming chair from a company called Secret Labs. Is this chair worth $650 Canadian? Stay tuned. Here is my review of the Secret Lab Titan Chair Black Edition. Welcome to the very first episode of the Wong Reviewer. This is my 13-year-old office chair. It has a low backrest, it has limited lumbar support, limited armrest movement, a limited recline, and is very uncomfortable over a long period of time. When I was looking to replace my chair, I came across gaming chairs. Some of the pros were it has a high back, excellent lumbar support, a wider range of recline, and meant to set for long hours for gaming. So some of the cons, it looked like a bucket seat taken from a Honda Type R, and I didn't like that look. So I was looking for an office chair with the same features of a gaming chair, and that's when I came across the Secret Lab Titan chair, and it checked off my needs: high back, lumbar support, wider range of recline, you can sit long hours, and it looked like a high-end office chair. So let's take a look at my experience of the unboxing and assembly of the Titan chair. The box was well packaged and the instructions were very clear. Congratulations, you are now the owner of a brand new Secret Lab chair. You are just steps away from your ultimate seating experience. I didn't realize this until afterwards when I had to contact customer support. But each of these chairs are hand inspected by someone at Secret Labs to ensure of the quality. When you call customer service, they will ask you for the hand inspected reference number. Before recycling the instructions, take a picture of the hand inspected number for future reference. In my mind, hand inspection equals quality control, and this gives me confidence that I'm getting the best product from Secret Labs. Secret Labs does have a YouTube video to show you how to put the chair together, and I do recommend that you watch it before you do it. Another pointer they suggest is having a friend to help make assembly extra easy. I did manage to put the chair together myself, but it would have been easier if I had someone to help me, as some pieces are large and awkward to kind of hold and manipulate as you put it together. When you flip the poster over, it actually shows you a step-by-step colored instruction guide on how to put the chair together. And I did refer it to a few times, but I have to say the instructions are excellent quality, nice and big, and very clear on what to do. As someone who has put a lot of IKEA furniture together using their instructions, this was so much easier. These instructions also speak volumes of Secret Labs' commitment to having a great customer experience. In total, it took me about 45 minutes to put the chair together by myself. The installation process overall was detailed instructions with video and large poster. One person can put it together on their own. However, you do leave fingerprints on the pleather as you're putting it together. So overall, the chair assembly score is 4 out of 5. We're now going to look at some of the chair features. My favorite feature of the Titan chair is the built-in lumbar support. Most gaming chairs have a separate pillow that is strapped to the chair. The pillow can't be adjusted, so depending on how you sit, your height and weight, the pillow may be uncomfortable to have on the chair. The built-in lumbar support is adjusted by turning the dial to either increase or decrease the support. Decreasing the dial will move the support away from your lower back. Increasing the resistance will move the supports towards your lower back. The armrests have 3 different movements that allow you to customize it to your gaming setup or office workspace. You can slide it towards the desk or away from the desk. You can slide it towards or away from you. You can raise or lower the arms depending on the height of your desk. Another great feature of this chair is the ability to have a large range of motion to recline your chair. From sitting upright, you can recline the chair to a viewing mode, which I use to watch movies on the computer, to the ability to almost lie horizontal and rest in your chair for a quick nap if you're deciding to work from home that day. My overall thoughts on the features: excellent lumbar support with no need for an external pillow, variety of armrest configuration depending on your setup, and ability to lean back in multiple positions. From straight up working at your desk to leaning back and watching a movie. I rate the features a 5 out of 5. Let's review the aesthetics and quality of this chair. I chose the Titan Lab Black Edition so it looked more like a high-end office chair to match my home office furniture and overall setup. The PU leather looks great and feels great. It wasn't too grainy or feel cheap at all. The stitching is nice and close together, and the details to the lettering looks amazing. I did notice some fingerprints after putting the chair together, which was easily resolved by wiping down the chair. Another close-up shot of the stitching. The hardware was good quality plastic. It was hard, didn't feel cheap like it was going to break, and the aluminum base was very strong and sturdy. My feedback on the aesthetics and quality of this chair. It looks like a high-end office chair, and I chose the 2-dome black. The PU leather and suede feels very comfortable and durable. The stitching is consistent and very close together, and the hardware material is durable and solid, which I can use this chair for a long time. My overall rating for aesthetics and quality is 5 out of 5 stars. My overall conclusion for this chair. The assembly was a 4 out of 5, the feature and functions are 5 out of 5, and the aesthetics and quality I gave it a 5 out of 5. So the Wong reviewer highly recommends the Secret Lab Titan chair. I will leave their website in the description below. Thank you for watching the very first episode of the Wong Reviewer. Please note that Secret Labs did not pay me for this review. The opinions expressed in this video are based on my experience of using this chair for the last 6 weeks. And thank you again for watching, for taking the time to watch the Wong Reviewer.